Hello friends, this video is about Australian animals names and pictures. For more educational and informative content, subscribe near education. Kangaroo, koala, platypus, echidna, wombat, Tasmanian devil, emu, kookaburra, dingo, cockatoo, galah, wallaby, Tasmanian tiger, Australian magpie, frilled lizard, saltwater crocodile, cassowary, Australian fur seal, lyrebird, thorny devil, flying fox, coral trout, redback spider, blue-ringed octopus, bilby, numbot, rainbow lorikeet, Australian cattle dog, great white shark, box jellyfish, Moreton bay bug, mud crab, black swan, sugar glider, Australian pelican, manta ray, tawny frogmouth, eastern brown snake, spotted quoll, Australian brush turkey, Gouldian finch, Murray cod, Australian giant cuttlefish, fairy penguin, humpback whale, loggerhead turtle, tiger snake, quokka.
Like, comment, and subscribe.